Hello, you're cooking with Vincent in Las Vegas. And tonight we're gonna make red gravy, pasta with red gravy, with chicken and a mixed vegetable.
And we're gonna have some spaghetti.
The spaghettis.
But we didn't put the spaghetti in there. Okay guys, we're cooking with Vincent in the Las Vegas. My name's Sal. So we're coming all the way over here to the spaghetti. Did I? Oh. There was some little cuts. So look, what we're gonna do is we have to do the spaghetti and make it a little bit flat, you know, like some people that don't like spaghetti when it's not flat enough. Here, then we're just gonna toss it all in there.
Yum.
Then guys, what we're gonna do is we're going to take our horse. Okay, let's not talk about that right now. So, I don't know what else we're gonna do, but we're gonna have to get something. Okay. You can just do something right here. You have to use this to push it down. You don't want to burn yourself. Yeah, we don't have much materials, you know. We don't have that on our back. So
Sal, how are we cooking this spaghetti?
We're using the slight resistance to our teeth. Okay, guys, we're back with cooking with Vincent in Las Vegas. Okay, so guys, we're making our little al dente.
And what does that mean, al dente?
A slight resistance to the teeth, guys.
Yeah? Slight resistance to the teeth, huh? And what are we doing over here, Sal?
We're just gonna stir the spaghetti. Okay, we need to turn it down a little bit so I can reach into it.
Nice.
So guys, if you want to know how we get this stuff, just come to Las Vegas, man. It's fun. It's a vacation, and whoever lives in Alaska, which we do, we're just having a little vacation. Just have a little vacation. Although watch out for the scorpions.
Okay, welcome back, guys. You're cooking with Vincent in Las Vegas, Nevada, fabulous Las Vegas, Nevada. And tonight, I'm gonna show a little Italian secret here, okay? Little Dago secret, and that is you want to cook your pasta not all the way to al dente. You want to cook it to a little bit before al dente, right there, okay? Now, a real Dago does not rinse his pasta, okay? But rather, we'll take it, okay?
To the Uptown Road.
I'm gonna ride till I can't no more. Okay? Now, we're gonna take this water. Now, if we need to thicken a sauce or something, we can keep this water. I also flavored this water with salt and a little bit of chicken stock. Okay, so it's been cooking in there. I'm gonna dump this in there. Okay.
Look at that spaghetti, guys.
Look at that spaghetti, guys. Okay, now I'm taking it out of the water. It's all drained. Go back, guys. Go back, please. Go back. Thank you. And now we take our serving dish
to the Old
Town Road, and we're gonna put our serving dish. We're gonna put our pasta into the serving dish. Okay, and we take that, and we are going to go like this. Okay? This is the real way, guys. Take your red gravy and you put it. Actually, I think that's going to take a little too long, so I'm just going to grab this red gravy. Okay, assume all metal pans are hot. It is a little bit, and I'm going to pour a little bit of the red gravy on there like that. Okay.
Now look. Pots, guys.
Look. See that? Now you mix that around, just like that. Okay. And now what we're going to do is take our horse to the Old Town Road.
Yeah, that's enough of the Old Town Road.
Now watch. You're gonna mix it, okay?
Till it can't no
Stay
more.
over there. Till it can't no more.
And guys, look at that spaghetti, man. Oh, wait.
Look at that spaghetti. And we're going to take that spaghetti, we're going to take this butter, all right, like that.
Why do we have to scoop the butter, Daddy?
Because it makes it nice and it's
salty?
No, it makes it nice. Okay, so the pasta doesn't stick to the pan and the pasta doesn't stick to each other. That's why you add the butter, okay, and the sauce like that. Then what you do is you add your red gravy at the table. Actually, we can add a little bit more.
Why a little bit more red?
We can add a little bit more right now.
What?
Okay, and now we're gonna add more red gravy, okay, to the mix, okay, to our pasta.
Why do we need
Just
to add
like
more?
that.
Why do we need to add more?
Why do we need to add more? Because it makes it nice, okay, at the table. Now, what this is doing is it's cooking just a little bit more into al dente, all right? And it's not quite al dente, it's just gonna sit there and it's gonna chill out. And by the time it hits the table, it's gonna be perfect al dente, okay?
Al dente.
We'll take this foil. Okay, and we're just gonna take this
Till it can't no more.
and we're gonna cover it just like that, okay? And now we have here our, zoom in, our mixed vegetable, and that's just simple. And there we go. All right, thank you for watching, and we'll see you back after these messages. Hello, welcome back. You're cooking with Vincent in Las Vegas, fabulous Las Vegas, Nevada. And here we have a mini pizza. And follow me over here, guys.
Die.
Each person will get a pizza bite. Okay, look at that. Zoom back. Okay, hold that. It's very hot, so blow on it a little, let it cool. Sal, get your grandmother. How's a pizza bite?
Is it good, Grandma?
Marvelous.
There's the bell dog. Bell dog.
Look at the dog.
Because you want to see the dog. Let's go.
Stand there.
Let's zoom in.
This is delicious.
Eat it. I have my own.
All right.
No.
He doesn't.
Okay, guys, let's go back to filming.
Okay. Mini pizza. Henry, would you like a mini pizza?
I'll try. No, not on camera.
Okay, guys, now we're going to take whatever this is. It looks like chicken to me.
Oh, look at that chicken.
Yeah, but guys, kind of smoked.
It's smoked. All right, we're gonna put that chicken just like that.
So that's chicken wings from Kentucky Fry. There's the dog. There's the dog.
All right, we have whole pieces of garlic.
Whole pieces of garlic.
And get over here, guys. Just like that. We're gonna put that on our roasted chicken. Stay right there, please. Zoom back. That's it. Get up, good, nice and high. Move back. There you go. Very good. Now we have our roasted chicken. We're just gonna put the sauce over, a little bit more sauce over our roasted chicken
Why a roasted chicken?
because it's delicious. Just like that.
How is it delicious?
Okay, just like that. So we have some layers going on.
Like,
And there's whole pieces of. All right, guys, welcome back. We have our chicken, which is fresh out of the oven. We added more sauce to it. Now we're gonna add just a little bit more Parmesan cheese to the top before we serve it to the table, just like that.
Why do we need to add Parmesan cheese,
Because
Daddy?
it's yummy. It's yummy.
It's yummy.
All right, and there we go. Our pan's nice and hot still. And we're gonna bring this to the table. So we have,
So now we have our spaghetti.
we have our spaghettis, which is very yummy. We're gonna add a
Sometimes
little
I call
bit
it
of Parmesan right in the middle. Okay, guys, just like that. And then over here we have our mixed veggie, just like that. Okay, and all of this will go to the table, and we're gonna have yum. Oh, ah, oh, single. Oh, ah, oh, ah, oh, double.
Okay, guys. Okay.
Just like that, guys. All right. Thank you for cooking with Vincent, and we'll see you back after these messages. Okay, guys, we're plating this up. Come in close a little bit onto the plate. You can see we're just gonna plate this up like this. We're gonna make just like a little nest cone here with the pasta, just like that. Okay, and then we're gonna take this, and we're gonna take the gravy from out of this pan right here.
Town Road.
Town Road, and we got some tomatoes and some garlic. And we're just gonna throw that red gravy on the top of that pasta right there, like that. A little bit of Parmesan cheese, like that. Okay, we have roasted tomatoes, our chicken, and our mixed veggie, pasta al dente. And there we go. All right, if you want this recipe and more,
Here's how you get it.
Here's how you get it.
In
Thank you.
beautiful Las Vegas.
And thank you for watching Cooking with Vincent, and we hope you enjoy the show.